The problem with carbon fiber phone cases is that they're either too thick and block the signal, or they are too thin to protect your phone. But there's a solution to it. In this video I will share 4 different ways to make yourself a carbon fiber phone case. In the end I will compare their costs, the pros and cons, and which one is the best for me. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. Before comparing the results, I want to quickly share all my mistakes and some final thoughts. Next time I would use a black Diolan, a carbon Kevlar mixed or a black Kevlar weaving to avoid the shielding issues that we have with carbon fiber. To add some damping ability, you can use a thin rubber sheet like Carbon as inner layer. Another mistake I made was to use a solid epoxy casting resin for the molds. I had a slight mechanical lock and ended up destroying the molds during the molding. The third mistake I made was that I didn't read the product instructions carefully enough, as always. And so I ended up using the Chemrelease release agent in combination with the CS25 silicone, and as they are not compatible, the silicone mold stuck to the mold and the part, so I destroyed the mold while demolding. Instead of the Chemrelease release agent, use any release wax or a spray wax. So let's compare those results. Per mold, around 300 grams of the CS25 silicone have been used, so that's around 10 bucks. In terms of costs, clearly the carbon fiber sheet method wins, with only around 7 bucks. Effort-wise, the forged carbon fiber case is by far the most time consuming, as you need to make both compression molds and coat it with an XCR resin afterwards. So the thin sheet option wins again. Now let's check out the surface finish directly out of the mold. I got the best surface finish from the carbon fiber plate and with the skinning technique. After the XCR coating, the compression molded forged carbon fiber case has a nice finish to it too. This leads me to the last category, the fit. All in all, I have to say that it was way harder than expected to get a reasonable good fit using the compression molding and positive molding technique. So I would only suggest these two techniques if you design a new phone case from scratch and use something like a CNC mill or a 3D printer to create the molds. In the end, this project was around 3 to 4 times more time consuming than I thought in the beginning, probably because I made some stupid mistakes. But in the end, the most time consuming methods did not produce the results I hoped, so I can only recommend to try out the carbon fiber skinning and thin carbon fiber sheet method. This ensures a good fit, good crash protection, no signal problems, and you still have a nice looking carbon fiber phone case. So that's it, see you next time.